Hey everyone, it's Kimberly Shipley. I just wanted to get on here and give y'all, well, I started to do a motivational video today. And I got a little bit done, but not enough. I wanted to put more together on it. And then the electricity went off. Yes, I paid the bill. We've had storms today, very harsh, the striking type lightning and stuff. So anyway, so my lights went off and I'm like, you know what? My car needs an oil change. The lights is out. We can't really do nothing around here. Of course, that's going to have to end the motivational video. So anyway, hey, tomorrow. But so I decided, well, I told my son, he was out of school today, like a parent-teacher thing, whatever, our teacher conference within themselves, whatever. But anyway, so we decided, since electricity was off, and it came a downpour, y'all. Streaking lightning and all that. I don't know how long it actually, Teddy might could tell you, he was here, I wouldn't. But how long it took him to get the lights back on. But anyway, so we decided, well, we went to Walmart. We actually went to the one my daddy worked at. He worked there at Walmart for 36 years. And in the actual automotive department where I went to. So anyway, this was my car's first oil change. And since I had traveled in it, we went to Florida. We've been in the mountains and just different places. And so I thought, I'm going to go ahead and get its oil changed. And that way, the car can be refreshed and stuff. So, and they always say it runs better. I got it synthetic oil. I know it's a little bit higher, but that's what I recommended for my little Nissan Versa I've got. But, yeah, so we went down there, bought a couple of things, like groceries. And just kind of looked around. Would y'all believe? And amazingly, would you believe my oil change took 15 minutes at Walmart? If you're like me, you may went to Walmart for an oil change. And I'm sure you've waited 2 hours or whatever and forever. But 15 minutes, y'all. I wouldn't even finish looking around before they got my oil done. I was expecting to go down there and be like an hour or two, But yeah, 15 minutes. That's amazing for Walmart. So anyway, got that done, come home, and Caleb asked me, said, Mom, would you get us some Domino's tonight? And I'm like, oh, sure, why not? And we had to eat supper, and so we got some Domino's. Caleb loves the Domino's, and I like it too, as far as that goes, with the stuffed crust. So he's a pepperoni fan, so we just get pepperoni. And then also, too, we got cheese sticks, and I get garlic dipping sauce. I don't know how you like yours. I noticed my last video to the one where I was talking about renting a place. And I appreciate all of your comments about it, suggestions, ideas. I appreciate all of them. And, and I asked, and I did want everybody's comment, honest opinion. And there was no hateful comments. I appreciate everybody. That was out of kindness, love, and support, these comments was. And, obviously it's my decision to make. But, and I ain't decided. I really ain't. I do look at this lung infection, and I wonder if another place would help it. I don't know. I'm in a lot of construction in this house all the time. So, a few days, though, I've been feeling overwhelmed. If your home was just in construction constantly, you'd feel overwhelmed as well. It's just not like a routine, let's clean my house. It's a routine, let's construct my house. So, it gets old and it gets tiresome. So, anyway, I appreciate all of your comments. If you're watching this video till now, I do want to ask you, in the comment, if you don't mind, what state are you from? Just leave it in the comments. I'll leave a heart or something, or a thumbs up under, with a comment back like that. If you're from another country, leave what country you're from. I just wonder where all my watchers or even new people that's coming on watching this right now. So this may be a new thing I asked. If you don't care, and actually the comments probably help us get the algorithm put out too. So if you don't mind, leave a comment what state you're from. I know I'll reply back. And if you want to ask anything else, you're more than welcome to. So I just wanted to ask that. It helps the algorithm. I mean, the likes, of course, helps the algorithm. And that's what builds your video up. I was surprised, actually, at the views I got on the last video, just asking y'all out there, should I rent or not? Just your opinion. And so I had noticed how much from all the comments, and I've had over 200 comments, but that's actually pushing the video out there more than I expected even. So, thank you for, doing that. And, let's kind of start a trend on my channel here. If anything, comment what state you're from. Even if it's the next video, tell me what state you're from. Why not? It's nice to get to know each other in a way like that. And, and it gives me a chance to personally say hi to you, something. Whether it's hi, I might just put up hi. I might put a heart with in a comment, or I may even just do a thumbs up. But we interact together, and that's a wonderful thing, I think, here on YouTube. I like interacting with other people, and, to me, it's just not about videos, but it's about getting to comment, talk to, relate with other people. So, anyway, I'm not going to keep this video very long. I just wanted to let you know why I really didn't get a motivational video out today. My electricity went out, and I mean, you can't really do much without electricity. So, and again, it was a storm. I did pay the bill. So anyway, but I did go service my car, which needed it, and took care of the oil change, and so there was progress done today within my realm of the world. But anyway, I just want to get on here, say hi to everybody. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I do home videos about me and my son. I'm widowed, and, I don't want to go along detail about it all again. But anyway, yeah, if you're new, please consider subscribing. I enjoy having you, and let's make friends. And everybody say hi, what state you're from, and all that good stuff. And anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, everybody. And hopefully tomorrow will be a motivational video. Now, again, I apologize about today. But, of course, I can't help the weather and electricity going out. Anyway, God bless. Have a great night. Bye-bye.